Welcome back to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where every home tells a story and every forgotten treasure finds new life. Today, we're celebrating the magic of Christmas in July, proving that elegance doesn't come from expensive decorations. It comes from creativity, warmth, and love. Together, let's transform simple recycled items into luxurious holiday decor that fills every room with timeless Christmas charm. Imagine opening your front door to a wreath crafted from old cardboard, wrapped with leftover linen fabric, dried pine branches, cinnamon sticks, and soft velvet ribbon. Layering different natural textures instantly creates a rich, designer look. A touch of gold paint along the edges reflects sunlight beautifully, making your entrance feel welcoming long before the holiday season officially begins. The living room becomes even more inviting with recycled glass jars transformed into glowing candle lanterns. Frost the outside using white paint and baking soda for a snowy effect, then add twine, evergreen sprigs, and tiny bells. When warm candlelight flickers inside, the gentle glow creates depth, softness, and a luxurious atmosphere that feels both festive and comforting. Your dining table deserves a centerpiece filled with heart instead of high cost. Arrange recycled wine bottles painted in creamy white and muted sage tones, then fill them with cedar branches, dried berries, and eucalyptus. Mixing different heights creates visual balance, while natural greenery adds movement, making the table feel elegant enough for family celebrations and quiet holiday dinners alike. Even the smallest kitchen corner can embrace Christmas spirit. Stack vintage food tins wrapped with burlap, lace, and plaid ribbon to create charming decorative canisters. Fill them with wooden spoons, candy canes, or fresh herbs. Repurposing practical items keeps your decor functional, while introducing cozy farmhouse character that feels authentic, lived in, and beautifully nostalgic throughout the season. Create a peaceful bedroom retreat using old sweaters transformed into pillow covers and fabric scraps sewn into miniature Christmas ornaments. Soft knit textures instantly make the room feel warmer and more luxurious. Pair them with fairy lights inside recycled glass bottles beside the bed, allowing gentle golden light to create a calm, storybook atmosphere every evening. The most beautiful Christmas homes aren't built with expensive decorations. They're filled with thoughtful details, cherished memories, and handmade pieces created with love. Every recycled project carries its own story, making your home feel uniquely personal and wonderfully inviting. If today's ideas inspired you, join us again at Grandma's Rustic Nest, where together we'll continue creating timeless homes filled with warmth, beauty, and heartfelt traditions all year long.